What is protein, and why do we need it?
Protein is a vital nutrient made up of building blocks called amino acids. Our bodies use protein to build and repair tissues, produce enzymes and hormones, and support the immune system. Whether you're growing, healing, or just staying active, protein is essential for almost every process in the body, especially for maintaining and building muscle.
Digestion begins breaking down protein.
Protein digestion starts in your stomach, where acids and enzymes break large protein molecules into smaller pieces. As food moves into the small intestine, other digestive enzymes continue this process, dividing proteins into individual amino acids. These tiny components are what your body absorbs and uses for growth, repair, and energy.
Absorption and delivery, amino acids on the move.
Once proteins have been broken down, the resulting amino acids pass through the wall of the small intestine and enter the bloodstream. From there, they travel to cells throughout your body, ready to be assembled into new proteins needed for muscle, enzymes, hormones, and countless other critical functions.
From amino acid to muscle repair and growth.
After exercise or injury, your body uses amino acids to repair and build muscle tissue. This process, known as muscle protein synthesis, is essential for recovery and muscle growth. Consuming enough protein in your diet gives your body the foundation it needs to strengthen muscles and stay healthy.
Protein for everyday health.
Protein isn't just for athletes. It supports healthy skin, hair, and nails, helps create blood cells, and keeps your metabolism functioning smoothly. Eating balanced amounts of protein with each meal can help you feel full, maintain strength, and recover from daily stressors on your body.